Hi friends, do we really believe in God? We all think that we believe in God. However, we have never seriously given it a thought. Not only about this, we think that we are aware of so many other things in life. We might have heard about them, but listening can't be called knowing. In the information era which we are living now, access to information is available to one and all, among which only a few can be understood completely. And among those things also, only a very few can be implemented in life. It needs a lot of clarity and courage to live the truth we have learned. Ancient wisdom suggests a unique practice to restore and live that truth. Learning is the first phase of any experience. Thinking about it again and again is its second phase. And finally, restoring it as a part of our personality by practices is the third phase of any complete knowing. Have we crossed these three phases for knowing God? Do we really believe in God? Let us introspect this with the help of a small story now. Ramu is a soldier and recently married his childhood friend Tulasi. They went on a pleasure trip, spent some time, and were returning back. They were crossing a lake in a boat when suddenly they encountered a great storm. The calm lake slowly started to get rough, with winds blowing and huge waves tossing the boat. The boat started to lose its balance. Tulasi and the other travelers, not being used to such circumstances, became anxious and afraid because it seemed almost helpless. The boat was small and the storm was really powerful. It appeared that at any moment they were going to drown. But this man Ramu sat silently, quiet and calm, as if nothing was happening. Tulasi was trembling and said, "Are you not afraid? This may be our last moment of life. It does not seem that we will be able to reach the other shore. Only some miracle can save us. Otherwise, death is certain. Are you not afraid? Are you mad or something? Why are you so indifferent?" Ramu looked at her, took a step back, and withdrew his sword out of his sheath. Tulasi was even more puzzled. What is he doing? Then he swiftly brought the sword close to her neck without actually touching it. It was almost touching her neck. Then he asked her, "Are you afraid?" Tulasi forgot her tension for a moment, started to laugh and said, "Why should I be afraid? Why should I be afraid when the sword is in your hand? I know you love me." Ramu put the sword back and said, "This is my answer. I know God loves me, and the sword is in His hands. The storm is in His hands. So, whatsoever is going to happen is going to be good. If we survive, good. If we don't survive, good. Because everything is in His hands. And I know very well that He can't do anything wrong." Yes, that is the meaning of belief. That is the meaning of believing in God. Do we really believe in God? Are we capable of accepting the situations in life, even at our worst moments? Are we capable of staying calm as Ramu did? Let us think about it.